All right, good morning. It is 8:59 and I am leaving cute little McKittrick, Missouri. Spent the night at a B&B, Joey's Birdhouse. Starting out today, got a little bit of a headwind, but I think it's going to be a very nice day out here. I am headed to a park to camp today. I don't think I have nearly as far to go today as I did yesterday. But yeah, come on, Myrtle, let's go. Come on, Myrtle, let's go. Yesterday, I had a couple instances where I had an error code E10 come up on my controller. The first time I checked sensor in my rear wheel, it was a little bit out of adjustment, so I fixed that. And then maybe miles further down the road, it came up again. And so I thought, well, okay, let's Google it because I really don't know what the code means. Coming to a road here, better check both ways. And it turned out it was a battery voltage error. And it suggested charging up the battery, even though it had more than 2 bars on it. So I switched the batteries and the error code didn't come back. So I thought, with the dust on this trail, it's entirely possible that I'm not getting a solid connection. So when I was at the B&B, I got out my cleaning pads, alcohol wipes. I've got some Q-tips, and I cleaned everything off, charged up all the batteries, and I put the battery that was a problem back in, so that's what I'm using, and I'm about 4 miles into the ride, and so far so good. So we'll see if I have any more issues with that. It's a bright morning, just a little bit of a bite to the wind, so I still have my puff on, but I don't think I'm going to be wearing it for long. I think it's going to warm up pretty quick out here. This part of the trail is very quiet. I stopped at a market on my way out of McKittrick. It's on the spur to Herman, and the market looks like it's abandoned. If somebody had told me it was open, I would never have stopped because it looks closed, but it's actually a full service market. So I picked up stuff for tonight, supplies for the day, water. As this part of the trail really has very little to offer. Just crossed a bridge over a little creek. Seems like we've got cornfield and corn stalks left over from last season. I wonder if they'll just plow it under, maybe doing it for nutrients. Well, it looks like there's a ferry landing here, but maybe it's just more barges and some of the dredging work that's going on. Oh, you know what I think it is? I think it's a tugboat. Yeah, a tugboat right here. Doing some dredging work. Whoops. Got a... can you see this? Got a giant branch stuck. Constant stopping to pull twigs and branches out from the spokes. Yes, crossing Smith Creek here. Loving these cattails. Coming to another trailhead here. Trelor? Really don't know how to pronounce it. Got a couple of cyclists. Hi there, how are you?
Hi, how you doing?
Nice day out here.
Beautiful.
Coming into Augusta, Missouri. I am getting very near to my destination. Just a cute little town. I know a lot of people are probably wondering why I'm not going into these little towns. I am doing this trail too early and really nothing is open. Things open up after Easter. Easter was yesterday, so it'll probably be another couple of weeks and the trail will open up. Wow, that was a 15. Oh, that really took a lot out of me. 15% grade. And I'm at Klondike Park. Woo! Oh my gosh, that was a big effort. I wonder if this isn't where I'm supposed to go down here. Let's check the map. I have made it to Augusta. I am at Klondike Park camping here. I did 38 miles and 267 feet of climbing. I'm still on the KATY Trail. Very, very flat route, dusty route, beautiful route. And yesterday I had a couple of issues with my electric assist. I got an E10 error code twice. And I switched out the battery and didn't have the issue for the rest of the day. Last night I cleaned everything, cleaned all the connections, and today everything was fine. I used the same battery that I got the error code from, so it seems everything's okay. And it's very warm. I think it was like 75 today, so it should be very nice for camping. So, all right, you guys. Welcome to Augusta on the KATY Trail.